Are you looking to improve your social skills and make better connections with others? In this video, we'll discuss 6 social mistakes that can make you extremely unlikable. Whether you're unaware of these habits or looking to refine your social interactions, understanding these pitfalls can help you navigate social situations more effectively. So let's dive in and explore how you can avoid these common mistakes to become more likable and engaging in your interactions. Number 6, being self-centered. Being self-centered is a surefire way to turn people off in social situations. When you're constantly talking about yourself, your achievements, or your problems without showing genuine interest in others, it can make you seem self-absorbed and uninterested in what anyone else has to say. Think about it. Have you ever been in a conversation where the other person only talks about themselves and doesn't seem to care about your thoughts and feelings? It can be pretty frustrating, right? Showing interest in others is a key part of building relationships and making connections. It shows that you value the other person's perspectives and care what they have to say. So next time you find yourself dominating a conversation, take a step back and try to listen more. Ask questions, show empathy, and genuinely engage with the other person. It'll go a long way in making you more likable and building stronger relationships. Number 5, being overly negative. Being overly negative can be a real downer in social settings. Picture this. You're hanging out with friends, excited for a fun time, but there's that one person who can't just stop complaining about everything. It's like a dark cloud hanging over the group, right? Constantly criticizing or being pessimistic can really bring down the mood and make you seem like a Debbie Downer. Think about it from your friends' perspectives. They want to have a good time, but if you're always focusing on the negative, it can be a real buzzkill. Plus, being around someone who's overly negative can be exhausting. It's like you're constantly walking on eggshells, afraid to say or do something that might set them off. Instead of being overly negative, try to focus on the positive aspect of situations. Sure, things might not always be perfect, but finding the silver lining can help lift everyone's spirit and make you a more pleasant person to be around. Number 4, being dishonest or insincere. Being dishonest or insincere can quickly turn people off. Have you ever had a conversation with someone and just felt like they were being fake or insincere? It's like you can sense when someone isn't being genuine. That's because people are pretty good at picking up on these things. Being honest and genuine, on the other hand, is crucial for building trust and likability. When you're honest, people know they can trust you. They know you're not hiding anything or trying to deceive them. It makes them feel comfortable around you and more willing to open up. Likewise, being genuine shows that you're real and authentic. You're not putting on a show or pretending to be someone you're not. People appreciate this authenticity and are more likely to respect and like you for it. So if you want to build strong relationships and be someone that others trust and admire, honesty and sincerity are key. Number 3, being inattentive or dismissive. Being inattentive or dismissive in conversations can have a significant impact on how others perceive you. When you ignore or dismiss what someone is saying, it can make them feel unimportant and undervalued. Imagine trying to share something important with a friend, only to have them glance at their phone or change the subject. It can be hurtful and frustrating. On the other hand, paying attention and showing genuine interest in others' thoughts and feelings can make them feel valued and respected. When you actively listen to someone, it shows that you care about what they have to say. This simple act of attentiveness can strengthen your relationships and make you more likable. Being attentive and showing interest in others is crucial for positive social interactions. It's not just about hearing words, it's about understanding and validating the feelings behind them. So next time you're in a conversation, remember to listen actively and show that you value the other person's thoughts and feelings. Number 2, being judgmental or closed-minded. Being judgmental or closed-minded can have a significant impact on how others perceive you. When you pass judgment or are unwilling to consider different perspectives, people can feel judged and uncomfortable around you. This behavior can create barriers in your relationships and hinder meaningful connections. On the other hand, being open-minded and accepting of others' perspectives can make you more likable. When you approach situations with an open mind, you show that you're willing to listen and consider different viewpoints. This can make others feel respected and valued, leading to more positive interactions. Being judgmental or closed-minded can alienate you from others, while being open-minded and accepting can help you build stronger relationships. By being more open-minded, you can create a more inclusive and welcoming environment for everyone and those around you. Number 1, being inconsiderate or disrespectful. Being inconsiderate or disrespectful in our interactions can have a negative impact on how others perceive us. When we interrupt others while they're speaking, invade their personal space, or act rudely, it can make them feel disregarded and undervalued. These behaviors can create barriers in communication and lead to strained relationships. Interrupting someone can make them feel like their thoughts and opinions are not important. Invading personal space can make others uncomfortable and defensive. Being rude can leave a lasting negative impression. To avoid coming across as inconsiderate or disrespectful, it's important to practice active listening, respect personal boundaries, and treat others with kindness and understanding. By being mindful of our actions and how they affect others, we can cultivate positive relationships and avoid behaviors that lead to dislike and resentment. By avoiding these common pitfalls, such as being self-centered, overly negative, dishonest, inattentive, judgmental, or disrespectful, you can improve your social skills and make better connections with others. Remember, showing genuine interest in others, focusing on the positive, being honest and sincere, listening actively, being open-minded, and treating others with respect are key to being more likable and engaging in your interactions. So next time you find yourself in a social situation, keep these tips in mind to enhance your relationships and become a more likable person. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.